Hi everyone and welcome to our latest listing here in the Urbanisation Entrepinos in Javea. So the location of this villa is amazing. It's literally located at about a 5-minute drive from the Arenal, where you can find the beach, restaurants, bars and a lot of shops. It is also really close to the Javea International College, which is an international school here in this town, which makes this villa a perfect option for families looking to move here and have younger children. So the villa itself, it's a beautiful villa. It is distributed over 2 separate levels, which are connected by an internal staircase. So both levels have their own kitchen, living room and dining room. And upstairs you can find 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and downstairs an additional 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And I will show you the villa right now. So if you would like to know more about this property or might be interested in listing your own property, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on the contact details below.